Hi, it's Corey, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to play a really easy version of Sam Cooke's What a Wonderful World. First thing you want to make sure to do is have your ukulele in tune. It's going to be G on the 4th string, C on the 3rd, E on the 2nd, and A on the 1st. Now, the chords you're going to need for this song will be a G, an E minor, a C, a D, and that makes up our main progression. During the bridge, we're going to be then adding an A7, which is you just take your first finger, place it on the 1st fret, 3rd string, and then a D7, where you're going to move your first finger down to the 4th string, 2nd fret, and your 3rd finger down to the 2nd fret, 2nd string. Like that. Now for the verse, you're going to be playing each chord twice and switching between the chords. So what I might do the first time we play through this, only play on the chord changes, and then when you're comfortable and ready, join me on playing on every beat. 1, 2, here we go. Don't know much about history, don't know much about biology, don't know much about a science book, don't know much about the French I took. At this point, we're gonna actually go into what's considered the chorus. The progression for that is G, C, G, C, D, G. 1, 2, here we go, and. But I do know that I love you, and I know if you love me too, what a wonderful world this could be. From there, we go straight into the second verse. 1, 2, here we go, and. Don't know much about geography, don't know much trigonometry, don't know much about algebra, don't know what slide rule is for. And then we go into the chorus. 1, 2, here we go. But I do know 1 and 1 is 2, and if this one could be with you, what a wonderful world this would be. From here we go into the bridge. The progression for the bridge will be D, G, D, G, and then to that A7, G, A7, and then D7. Let's try it. 1, 2, here we go, and. Now I don't claim to be an A student, but I'm trying to be. I think maybe by being an A student, I could win your love for me. And then we're gonna repeat verse 1. 1, 2, here we go, and. Don't know much about history, don't know much about biology, don't know much about a science book, don't know much about the French I took. And then it's straight into the chorus. 1, 2, here we go, and. But I do know 1 and 1 is 2, and if this one could be with you, what a wonderful world this would be. That's the whole song. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like to see more tutorials, specifically on the ukulele, I will be posting a tutorial every single day for the month of July. In the future, I'll be focusing on other instruments, but for July, it's ukulele. And if you have any requests of tutorials or anything that you would like me to create a video for, make sure to comment below and I can take a look and see what I can do to help you out. Thanks so much. Bye.